teacher, hello everyone, my name is Phúc Lâm.
Okay, let's come to our next sentence. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so in our last sentence we learned about the boy, right? The husband, his cheek, all the picture, and he say, "I cheek you, ha ha ha, hello." Yes. Okay, and let's come to our next sentence. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's see. We have some new words. Okay, we have some new words. Chúng ta muốn vài từ mới. Okay, the first one. Okay, let's see. Angrily. Angrily. You know, angry. Yes. Siêu tức giận. Okay, angrily. Do this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Angrily. Yes, angry. Angrily. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Angrily. Yes, visualize this angrily. Okay, the villagers angrily. Yes, tức là những cái người dân này rất là tức giận. The villager angrily. Okay, so the villager. Okay, the villager angrily. Right. The villager angrily. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. The villager angrily. The villager angrily. Right. We have one more. You must not tell lies. Yes. Cậu không được nói dối đâu. Yes. You must not tell lies. Okay. So we learn this. You must not. Okay. You must not tell lies. Okay. Tell lie. Các bạn làm cái kiểu như cái miệng dài. Tell lie. Okay. You must not tell lie. Okay. You must not tell lie. Right. You must not tell lie. Says the villager angrily. Okay, the villager, all the villager says, you must not tell lie. Okay, says the villager angrily. Okay, so the villager angrily says the villager angrily. You must not tell lies. Say the villager angrily. Okay, you must not tell lie. Right? Okay, so let's come to our mini story for this sentence. Right? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so you must not tell lie. Says the villager angrily. So there's a villager says, you must not go to toilet.
No, not say
they did not say you must not go to toilet. They say you must not tell lies. Okay, so who say you must not tell lie? Who? Yes, the villager. They say you must not tell lie. Say the villager angrily. So were the villager very happy? And they say you must not tell lie to Tony, to the person.
Not happy.
No, they were not, right? They were not happy. They was very angry. Okay, angry. All the villagers, they was very angry. And they say, you must not tell lies. Say the villager angrily. So did the villagers say, you must not tell lie to a dog? No, they did not say, you must not tell lie to a dog. So did they say, you must not tell lie to a chicken?
No, it's not. How was a chicken?
No, not to a chicken. So did they say, you must not tell lie to Tony the husband? Yes, he said, you must not tell lie to Tony. So, did the villagers say, you must not tell lie to a dog? No, not to a dog. Right? So, what does the villagers say? What Sorry, what did the villagers say?
Must
What
not
did
tell
they
lie.
say? Yes, you must not tell a lie, right? They say that you must not tell a lie. Yeah, it says you must not tell a lie. So, who did the villagers say you must not tell a lie to? Who did the villagers say you must not tell a lie to?
She said to Tawny.
Yes, they say you must not tell a lie to Tony, the husband. It says you must not tell a lie to the husband. So, did the villagers say, I love you? No,
they not
I
said
love you.
this.
They says you must not tell lie. Okay, you must not tell lie, says the villager angrily. Okay, so this is the end of the mini story for this sentence. I want you to listen to this mini story again and again, right? Listen to this again and again. Thank you very much and see you in the next sentence, right? Goodbye.
Just